Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Today, we'll show you how to print an Excel sheet on one page. Let's get going. To print a large Excel sheet on one page, go to the File menu at the top of the window and select Print. Once you select Print, a window will appear with various settings. You can review these options to see how many pages the data from the spreadsheet will occupy when printed. This document has a total of 6 pages. To ensure that all data is printed on a single page, go to the menu on the left and select Fit Sheet on one page. All the information will be contained on a single page. Excel can be configured to ensure all columns or all rows fit on a single page, if necessary. The location of these options is the same. Let's select the option Fit Sheet on one page and then proceed. It may be beneficial to consider which page orientation would be more fitting for this situation: portrait or landscape. We will choose to use the landscape format for this data table, as it will be easier to read and understand. To finish, press the Print button at the top of the page. This will print the entire spreadsheet onto one page. If you would like to discover helpful tips for printing an Excel sheet, you can check out the video tutorials from Sheet Leveler. Links to these videos can be found in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.